Good afternoon all. So in today's video, we'll study how to use if-else statement in a single line. Okay. So here first, the syntax for this if-else statement in a single line is if your condition is true, if this condition is true, the expression given here, it will be executed. Otherwise, else the another expression 2, it will be executed. Okay, so if the condition is true, the expression given here, it will be executed, else the another expression, it will be executed. Okay, we'll study about it by using one example. Age is suppose one variable. For this age variable 20 is given value here. After that, we'll use the age group. Okay, age group is another variable. Its value is equal to minor if age is less than 18. If that age is less than 18, age group, for the age group variable value will be given as a minor, else the value it will be given as a adult. Okay, now we'll execute this program. Here the value for the age is given 20, so it is greater than 18, so it will print adult. Okay, so we'll print the value of that variable age group. It will give the value adult. Either you can use this statement, or to print this one, instead of using the another variable, you can directly write here print. Okay, if age is less than 18, it will print minor, else it will print adult. Okay. Now we do not need to write this one more statement here. It will directly give the output that the value is greater than 20, so it will give the output as a adult here. Thank you for watching this video.